Put your hands on my shoulders. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Togozo. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back and thank you so much for tuning in. Today is Wednesday, the 5th of February. I'm going to be helping my sister pack. She's heading back to Reyes. Yeah, I'm actually sad because I'm going to really miss you. Oh, like, things over and get that, but and yeah, she's gonna be moving back to hers today as well, so stay tuned.
Few moments later.
It's ready. Your girl is ready to go. Okay, I need to do my lips. We're now gonna be taking my sister to her new place. Put your hands on my shoulders. All done. I just did my lip. Oh, shut the lip gloss. Damn. Anyway. So cool, so much to you since I just talked. Well, just got back home. I'm gonna miss my sister so much. Like, I'm gonna be so bored. Yeah. is it zoomed in like this? About to take a bath now and make some food. My mom is like frying, a brisket. She's frying a brisket steak. Is it a brisket steak or a brisket? But yeah, she's making that. She's gonna have that with some leftover pap. I'm gonna have it with noodles. Yeah, I'll show y'all right now.
Baby, does he do it for you? When he's finished, does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know, 'cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it. Oh no, no, baby, just go with it. 'Cause when you're with me, I can't explain it. It's just different. We can take it slow, or act like you're my girl. Let's get the basics.
2 days later.
He's so replaceable. You're worth the chase, you're burning up. It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, collectible, just like fine china.
Guys, welcome back to my vlog. Welcome back to my vlog. I should have taken you guys with me. I just came back from the shops. I bought a kota. Oh, it looks so good. I'm gonna be trying it for the first time, but I'm gonna take you guys with like right now because I'm going to see my friend. I haven't seen her in a minute. Oh, Andile. Let me show you guys this kota. Like, it looks so good. It looks so good. Like, oh my gosh. At that.
You're my favorite. It's like all the girls around me don't have faces, and they're saying no. Life is just a game, but I'm not playing.
Guys, welcome to my vlog.
He's so replaceable. You're worth the chase, you're burning up. It's alright, I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous. You're irreplaceable, collectible, just like fine china. Took me a while to find your love. Ain't no amount of time in this world. Save me a lot of time and just love me. Feel it, baby, feel it in your soul. Are you ready? I know your heart been telling you you belong to me. I know. It's alright. I'm not dangerous. When you're mine, I'll be generous.
Hey y'all, hey guys, welcome back. As you guys just saw, I just did my laundry and I'm done. Welcome back to the channel, you guys. I mean the video. Welcome back to the video. I just finished doing laundry, as you guys saw. Now I'm gonna be like cooking. It's time to cook, and I'm gonna be preparing egg. You guys are only looking at me at this angle because my ring light is giving me problems. Like, I need a tripod. I need to get a tripod. I need a mic and a tripod. Like I was told with like I'm not really audible in my videos. So I need, of course I need a mic and a tripod as well. So I need to get those as soon as I can. Ogamanje, please just bear with me. Please just bear with me. So much for getting this far. I just finished editing the video and I noticed how short it is. I'm not really happy about the length, but what can I say? I'm really trying to be consistent, so I'd rather post something than not post at all. But thank you so much for getting this far. Please do like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you so much for getting this far. Bye.